Bay windows are a timeless architectural feature that can transform any home, and in Bay Windows Mesa, Arizona, the demand for these stunning installations is on the rise. Bay Windows Installation in Mesa, Arizona, offers homeowners the opportunity to enhance their living spaces with natural light and panoramic views. Whether you're considering custom bay windows or energy-efficient bay windows, the options are endless. Bay window contractors in Mesa are skilled in providing bay window solutions that cater to your specific needs, ensuring that your home not only looks beautiful but also functions efficiently. Custom bay windows Mesa in Arizona are designed to meet the unique preferences of homeowners. With a variety of bay window styles available, you can choose the perfect design that complements your home's architecture. Bay window customization in Mesa, Arizona, allows you to select from a range of bay window materials, dimensions, and features. This level of personalization ensures that your bay windows not only enhance the aesthetics of your home but also provide the functionality you desire. Energy-efficient bay windows Mesa are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to reduce energy costs while maintaining comfort. These windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies that minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bay window experts in Mesa, Arizona, can guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the best energy-efficient bay windows for your home. By investing in these innovative solutions, you can enjoy the benefits of reduced energy bills and a more sustainable living environment. Bay window replacement in Bay Windows Mesa, Arizona, is a service that many homeowners seek when their existing windows become outdated or damaged. Bay window installation services in Mesa are also available for those who wish to restore their windows to their former glory. Whether you need a complete replacement or minor installations, bay window specialists in Mesa are equipped to handle all your needs. They offer affordable bay windows Mesa, Arizona, ensuring that you receive high-quality service without breaking the bank. The bay window design in Bay Windows Mesa, Arizona, is constantly evolving, with new trends and innovations emerging regularly. Bay window trends in Mesa include modern designs that incorporate sleek lines and minimalist aesthetics. Bay window innovations in Bay Windows Mesa, Arizona, often focus on enhancing functionality and energy efficiency. By staying updated on the latest bay window trends, you can ensure that your home remains stylish and up-to-date. Bay Windows installation in Bay Windows Mesa, Arizona, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles in Bay Windows Mesa, Arizona, residents can choose from traditional to contemporary designs that suit their personal taste and home architecture. Bay window contractors in Mesa are skilled in providing top-notch installation services, ensuring that each bay window is perfectly fitted and sealed for optimal performance. Custom Bay Windows Mesa in Arizona offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their living spaces with unique designs and features. Whether you're looking for a specific bay window dimension or a particular bay window material, the options in Mesa are vast and varied. Bay window customization in Mesa, Arizona, allows for a tailored approach, ensuring that each window complements the home's existing design while adding a touch of individuality. Energy-efficient bay windows Mesa are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bay window experts in Mesa, Arizona, can guide homeowners through the selection process, ensuring that they choose the most energy-efficient bay window options available. Bay window replacement in Bay Windows Mesa, Arizona, is a service that many homeowners seek when their existing windows become outdated or damaged. Bay window installation services in Mesa are also available for those who wish to restore their windows to their former glory. Whether it's a simple installation or a complete replacement, Bay window solutions in Mesa are designed to meet the needs of every homeowner. Affordable Bay Windows Mesa, Arizona, provide a cost-effective solution for those looking to upgrade their home's appearance without breaking the bank. With a range of bay window styles in Bay Windows Mesa, Arizona, homeowners can find options that fit their budget while still offering the desired aesthetic and functional benefits. Bay window contractors in Mesa are committed to providing high-quality services at competitive prices. Bay window design in Bay Windows Mesa, Arizona, is an art form that combines functionality with beauty. Bay window aesthetics in Mesa, Arizona, are carefully considered to ensure that each window enhances the overall look of the home. From classic to modern designs, bay window trends in Bay Windows Mesa are constantly evolving, offering homeowners the latest innovations in window design. Bay Windows installation in Bay Windows Mesa, Arizona, offers homeowners a unique opportunity to enhance their living spaces with style and functionality. Custom Bay Windows Mesa in Arizona are designed to fit the specific dimensions and aesthetics of your home, providing a personalized touch that standard windows cannot match. Energy-efficient Bay Windows Mesa are an excellent choice for those looking to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Bay window replacement in Bay Windows Mesa, Arizona, is a service that many homeowners seek when their existing windows become outdated or damaged. Bay window installation services in Mesa ensure that any issues with your windows are addressed promptly, maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Bay window styles in Bay Windows Mesa, Arizona, range from traditional to contemporary, allowing homeowners to choose a design that complements their home's architecture.